hated just because I'm white. And if I say so myself, I was underrated and overhyped. Don't you understand? I threw away enough tracks for a mixtape by Dapper Dan. That's my old shit that's done. I'm not good with being average, I have to be number one.
Went to the store just to get a beer. Came out an accessory to murder and armed robbery. It was funny like that in the hood sometimes. You never knew what was gonna happen or when.
I'm number one. I'm number one, you fucking faggots better know I'm number one. You fucking faggots better know. You better know I'm number one. I'm number one. Number one since day one. They say I can't have fun and rapping about my life, but my verse is still tight. And it's alright, cause I'll do anything for my dreams like they do for Klondikes or a Blondike. You got money, right? No, this process to blow is going kinda slow. They say I'm dope, but I still can't even book a show. Keep it on the low, but I can flow, keep them on their toes. Y'all gotta go, whatever goes, goes. But my fans will never fuck a groovy hoe. It's against my code, didn't come this far just to get off my path. Can't wait to get my presidential suite, William Taft. Go ahead, laugh at me, I know you will, but I'ma keep rapping until I get my deal. And I'll always stay the real me, never fake. What, you think I'm stupid? I know what's at stake, bitch. I'm number one. I'm number one, you fucking faggots better know I'm number one. You fucking